So we have got this situation, integration of this thing. So if you will observe this question, you know that you are getting sense of E. Okay. So what we will think of? We can think of this situation that we will have e power x times f of x plus f dash x, correct? So suppose that this is your e power x. Okay. So first we will handle that one and let's see what happens. So suppose we got z as e power x plus 1 by x. Now do the differentiation. So it is dz by dx. Integration of e power x is e power x. So e power x plus 1 by x. Now you have to differentiate the argument. So differentiation of x is 1 and the differentiation of 1 by x is minus of 1 by x square. Now look at this. You have e power x and you can manipulate this person to make it this. Okay. So what I am trying to manipulate, look at this. First I will multiply this with this. So it is e power x plus 1 by x plus I will take x common and then 1 minus 1 by x square with e power x plus 1 by x. Now look at this whole thing. This thing is available here and this is the first function and we have this x associated with that. Okay. So don't you think that this form reminds you of this function f of x plus x times f dash x dx? So you can directly write down the answer as x times e power x plus 1 by x plus integration constant c. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.